Hey guys, this is Mrs. MacPhail here. I'm going to show you two quick ways to practice what we call the trade first algorithm. Kind of a really fancy name for third graders, but it's a method of subtracting in math that you might have seen before, you might have even done before, but we're going to practice it a couple different ways today. So this is the first video that you'll watch on that. Sometimes we don't need to use base 10 blocks in order to do our work. Some of us need them, sometimes we don't. So I'm going to teach you one way that we don't have to use our base 10 blocks with us, with our problems. We take a look at this problem. We have 84 take away 37. Now if we wanted to make a ballpark estimate, or say what is it really close to, we could say that 84, is it closer to 80 or 90? We could say that it's closer to 80. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, you hit the floor, so you're going to go down to 80. And then the number 37, is it closer to the number 40 or is it closer to the number 30? Well, 37 is definitely close to 40, and you can use a number line to help you with this. So if we were to subtract that, we would know that our answer should be, oops, that's a 0 by the way, our answer should be somewhere around 40, okay? So I'm just going to move this off to the side so we don't forget it. Not the ones, they can stay there, but this stuff can go off to the side for now. Okay, so this is actually the trade first method that we're going to use now. We take a look at 7 from 4. We can't do that. It's not possible. You just can't do it. Mr. Nutty even says so too. So we have to go next door to the 4 and borrow 110 from the tens place. So we're going to cross out, and I'm going to use green. We're going to cross out the 8 because we're borrowing 110, one tens group. So that becomes a 7, and we're bringing that one tens group over to the ones column. So it's like saying 4 plus 10 is equal to 14. Okay, so our 4 now becomes a 14. I'm going to cross out our 4 too. So now we can do 7 from 14. Or 14 minus 7 will be 7. We can go over to our tens column now and do 3 from 7, or 7 minus 3 will be equal to 4. So our answer is somewhat close to 40, what we were expecting for a ballpark estimate. The thing that kids get tripped up on the most here is remembering to borrow from the tens, okay, when they're looking next door from the ones place. We'll watch another video next on how to do the trade first algorithm with base 10 blocks. See you in a bit.